Ciao lovelies, Lenaria here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY stickers perfect for Halloween and perfect for like an age regression journal or any kind of journaling that you'd like to do. And this method is super simple, it's super easy, and I use it sometimes when I want to make like OFT stickers and stuff for myself. So this is a really cute method that you can use. It's pretty simple. So what you'll need for this method is you'll need something to draw or like color with so you can make your sticker designs, or you can use pre-printed designs from like the internet and stuff if you prefer that instead. You will need wax or parchment paper. You'll need packing tape, and you'll need something to draw on, or like I said, you can print out designs, and you'll need scissors, and that is it. So let's get started. So as I mentioned, first you'll need to draw your designs so that you can turn them into stickers later. So I'm going to do, for this video, a little basic pumpkin design. I'm just going to do a cute little pumpkin. To do this, I'm just going to draw what looks like a little heart shape. For you guys, it's a little upside down, but just draw a little heart shape that's rounded on the bottom, not pointy. And then draw some lines, like so. And then I'm going to use a lighter orange. I do. A different orange to, it's the same orange, hang on. It's hard to tell with these markers sometimes. I'm going to use a different orange to kind of add some shadow highlight things and to fill in the insides to make it look like a pumpkin. Just, you know, super simple. Making it look like a pumpkin. So that it can be used as a sticker. So this method that I'm going to be showing you today in this video is actually really like a good method in terms of like if you don't have a lot of materials, you can find a lot of this stuff in your house. So if you don't have like a sticker press, or if you don't have like access to Redbubble or digital art, this is a great way to do it as well. So I'm going to take a little bit of green to add our stem. And I'm going to keep it very simple because simple is easier to cut out. So there's our design. So now what we're going to do is we are going to turn this into a sticker. So after you've drawn your design, what you need to do is you need to cut it out as close as you can get to the design, or you can leave a white border for like that cute sticker effect. And make sure that's completely cut out and it looks the way you want it to look before you lay it down on the wax paper. Because the next step that we're going to be doing is rolling out a little bit of wax paper. Alright, so here's our design on our wax paper. The last two steps are pretty simple. So you're going to take your packing tape, you're going to pull out a little bit of packing tape, and you're going to put that tape directly on top of your design and onto the wax paper. Make sure that it lays completely flat, and you rub out any air bubbles that might have popped up. So now it looks like this, and now what you're going to do is you're going to cut this out, and you can cut like a square if you'd like it to be more stable. You can cut around it with like a little border. I like to do squares for other designs, but for this one I'm going to cut a little border and show you what that looks like. So here's what the finished sticker looks like, and all you need to do to use this is to peel off the back, the wax paper backing, and then you can stick this to literally whatever you want. And it's so cool, and I really love this method. It's a little hard to get the paper off at first, you kind of got to work at it. But once you can literally just peel off the wax paper backing and stick your sticker onto anything you want. I've seen methods where you can sandwich it in between two pieces of tape to make the back sticky as well. But I prefer this is just faster, and it still works just as well because like you can stick this on anything you want and it still stays down and doesn't come up. And I've used these for my journals most of the time as well. So that's where I put that one. And of course this is perfect for Halloween because you can make all the Halloween stickers that you want, any design that you want, and it's so fun. So that is how to make DIY stickers out of things you probably have around the house. So please remember to like this video if you liked it, and thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. We do DIYs for age regression and other things. And please remember to stay awesome and love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies!